Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and for this project, I want you to do something actually kind of easy. We're just creating one new method here. We're not going crazy. We're just going to create a new method that calculates how much health you have after you take damage, right? So it's going to need to take in some parameters. For me, I added in some defense. So I have 3 parameters that it's accepting: your total health before you take damage, your defense, and the amount of damage you took, right? And so health starts out at 100 for my program. I have 5 defense, and then depending on the amount of damage you take, it should tell you, it should calculate by adding those numbers and subtracting, all that stuff. It'll tell you how much health you have whenever you're done, right? So it's a very simple program. It will not take long for you to write, but by successfully creating this program, you are kind of showing that you understand how to pass parameters to a method and then return something from that method. So I'm going to put in here how much damage did I take. Let's say I took 40 points of hit damage, right? When I hit enter, it's going to call that method, pass all that information, and return the amount of damage I have left. So now my health is 65 points, right? Because I subtracted 40 points for the damage, and then I added another 5 back because I have 5 points of defense. So that's essentially how this program will work, right? And honestly, this is the kind of method you can use in a lot of games. Whenever your player gets hit, you can use a method like this to calculate what their returning damage would be, what their total damage would be after they return. And you can take in a bunch of variables and stuff like that. So this is a very simple program. Please have fun with it. Please make sure you understand these concepts before we move on, because again, this stuff is critical and you need to know it. So that's it for me. Thank you for paying attention, and I'll see you next time.